Fidget spinners. A revolutionary and legendary tool of relaxation and stress reduction. Hello, we're the Relaxation Club, coming to you from the Relaxation Station, bringing you a video tutorial on proper fidget spinner techniques. This video is a bit different from our previous ones, as fidget spinners are so remarkable that there are no proper techniques. You can do anything with the fidget spinner. Spin it, pet it, cover your car with it, cut someone's legs off with it, or even use it as a Beyblade. Although some say fidget spinners are Satan's incarnate, they forget they bring so many benefits. As paulstechstuff.com once said, fidget spinners will help you reduce stress, relieve anxiety, boredom, focus, quit smoking, and biting your nails. Let's hear how fidget spinners have changed some folks' lives.
How have fidget spinners changed your life?
Well, I mean, look at it. It's a penny fidget spinner. Of course it changed my life. Like, I didn't realize that I was alive until this moment. It's complete now. My life's complete. I feel so relaxed too. Like, whole body is just...
How have fidget spinners changed your life?
Well, I really like my fidget spinner because it really helps me relax when I feel stressed, and it helps me focus on my studies. So I like to spin my fidget spinner while I'm doing everything. I love fidget spinners.
How have fidget spinners changed your life?
You know, I used to be really stressed all the time and kind of want to die. But now that I have fidget spinners in my life, I want to live forever.
This song goes out to all the spinners out there. Just keep spinning. Let go. I love fidget spinners from my head to my toes. I even love one spinning right here on my nose. Got one on my